Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big update for all TNPSC aspirants. TNPSC has officially released the notification for Recruitment 2026 for the post of Junior Training Officer, remotely piloted aircraft. That's drone pilot, under the Combined Technical Services Examination. Diploma, ITI Level. If you're a diploma or ITI holder looking for a stable government job with a great future in the growing drone technology sector, this is a golden opportunity for you. Drone technology is expanding rapidly across agriculture, surveillance, defense, and logistics, and the government is investing heavily in trained drone pilots and instructors. This makes the Junior Training Officer post not just a stable job, but a career with long-term relevance. Now here's the good news for you. To help you prepare thoroughly and confidently, I put together complete study materials specifically designed for this exam. Checkmark a full textbook covering every module in the syllabus. Explained in simple, easy to understand language. Checkmark module-wise MCQs for practice, so you can test your understanding after every topic. Checkmark materials structured to match the exact TNPSC syllabus pattern for this post. Whether you're someone who prefers reading and understanding concepts deeply, or someone who learns better through practice questions, this material covers both approaches. Here's what you'll get, module by module. Complete textbook content for every module in the syllabus. MCQs after each module to reinforce what you've learned. Simplified explanations for technical and non-technical topics alike. Regular updates if TNPSC releases any changes to the syllabus or exam pattern. If you're serious about cracking this exam, don't wait until the last moment to start preparing. Early and consistent preparation is the key to success in any TNPSC exam. Right finger link to access the study materials is in the description box below. Right finger hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss updates on exam dates, admit cards, and more. Right finger drop your questions in the comments. I'm happy to help. That's it for today's video. Let's start preparing smart and early for this TNPSC drone pilot recruitment. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay consistent.